How to create a Josh app account. So if you want to create a Josh app account, then first of all open up your Play Store, and then under Play Store on the upper corner you will have a search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for Josh app, and then you will have the app. So you can simply tap on install and install the app, and then after installing you will find an open option. You can simply tap on open, and from here you can choose a language that you would like, that you are comfortable with, and I'll be choosing English. Now to create an account, on the bottom right corner you will have a profile type icon. Tap on your profile, and now you have to enter your mobile number, or you can also go with your Facebook or your Google account. So if you want to enter a mobile number, then you can simply tap on enter your mobile number and enter that, and after that you can simply tap on send OTP. But if you don't want to enter your mobile number, then you can tap on Google. You can also continue with Google, and from here choose your account, and now it will create a username, or you can also create a username by yourself if you don't like this. And after creating your username, simply tap on save. And that's it guys, that's how you create a Josh app account. So it was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.